everybody, welcome back to my channel where today I am talking all about the bag I have bought for this next baby. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Jennifer and I'm a mum to Poppy who's 19 months old and I'm expecting my second baby in January. Today I am here to chat to you all about this Pacapod Croyde that I have bought. This is not packed yet, but this will be the baby's hospital bag when we're ready to go. So I thought I'd show you because I got it, I love it, I'm obsessed and I can't wait to pack it, and I paid a lot of money for it, so I'm going to make the most of it. As I said before, it is from Pacapod. This is the Croyde model. I got it in the navy and it's got these lovely like gold, like the hardware is gold basically. And the reason I went for this colour is actually, well, here's the thing, is that my favourite colour combination is navy and gold. And I was delighted because this one was cheaper than the other cuddles. Because this one was cheaper than the other colours in this model, so I was actually delighted that I saved a bit of money and got my favourite colour. It was brilliant. I'll put all the details of how much you can get this bag for in the description box and where you can get it and stuff, so that'll all be down there, feel free to go and look. I've left all the labels on. It did come and obviously packaged up. I bought it online, so obviously it was packaged up when it got here. But I've left all the labels on and stuff. But I've taken like all the actual packaging out, so I guess what do I show you first? I mean, the first thing to kind of show you is what it looks like, which you can see here. The outside comes with this little case here that you can use for whatever you want, I guess. I'm going to use it to store some dummies in when the time comes. It's also got these pockets at the front, these two pockets here, which to be honest I haven't decided what I'm going to use those for, so if you've got any suggestions of what would happily live in there, maybe some wipes. Like I know I'm going to have wipes inside the bag, but it's always a good idea to reach for wipes, so not a bad plan, I don't know. But yeah, if any of you already have this bag, let me know what you keep in these, and if you have any ideas, even if you don't have the bag, it'd be great to let me know. So for this bag, you can either open it up at the top, like so, I hope you can see this, like so, and you can see the pods from in there, or the other place you can get them out of is the back here. So it's got this back that opens up, and you can, I'll do this up so it's a bit easier to show you. So it also opens up at the back here, so you can access your things there. So I will show you the pods first. As you can see, it's got the pods here. The reason I chose these pods is because it was just the standard pods that it comes with and it was cheaper to do. You can customise them, but I found that when I tried to customise them it cost me a little bit more, and I was only trying to change the colours of them, so I thought these are nice enough, I'll go with these, and it's not like the baby cares. So all the Pacapod bags come with these little changing mats. They're just unstrap there, undo and undo that. They are quite small, like they're egg shaped, like the Pacapod logo, that's nice. Yeah, it's not massive, but it is kind of like more padded, so it's not like you're just putting your baby down on a hard surface, and it kind of just means that wherever you are, you've got a changing mat that folds up really small that fits in your changing bag. So I just keep that, I'm just going to be keeping that like at this side here, so that if I am changing my baby I can just open it up and it's right there. The next one is this one here, which is the feeder pod. It's got this lovely design on it. It's got the same design as the like attachment does. So this feeder pod is quite a nice size. If I just open it up for you, so like, well, actually a good detail is it's got this handle here, so you can like carry it, you can clip it to something different, and you can unclip that and clip it over. That's chill. So like say if you say if I send someone out just like for long enough that my baby might need a feed but not long enough that they need much out, I can just send them with this. So if I just open this up here, it's got one zip but two zippers, if you get what I mean. So you can open it just this much, just to reach in and grab what you want, or if you're having a proper rummage, you can undo these all the way like so, and it just totally unfolds like that, which is nice because it means like if you're properly digging through everything, if you can't find something, you can completely open it and see everything inside it quite quickly. Also, when it's stood like this, if you've got this bit stood here, which is where the thing's going to be obviously be stood, and this comes down, and then it'll also be like stood on here and you can see everything. So it's obviously got this like insulated material which helps keep bottles cool. I will be probably putting an ice pack in this to help keep milk cool all day, because I tend to be out of the house all day and I am expressing, so it's not like I'm taking powder with me to make formula up on the go. It is that I am expressing milk and I need to keep milk cool all day, because when I am out, I go out properly and I go out all day. So that's where you keep food, and obviously like as your baby gets older you can keep other things in here. So the next pod is the changer pod. Here is this lovely kind of neutral colour. It's got the logo down here in this nice gold colour. It really suits it. Again, like both of these ones have little labels, so you can see this one immediately says feeder pod and also says changer pod. And again, it means if you send anyone else into your bag, you can say grab the feeder pod, it says on the orange label, grab the changer pod, it says on the orange label. So like you can easily get a friend, your partner, or like someone else who's with you to grab things for you. So this one, again, it opens the same as the other one. You can just either open it a little bit and reach in. I'm not sure why you'd want to with this one actually, because I think this one works its best when you open it all the way. So when you open this, you can see it's got all these little pouches in here, and they're all labelled so you know what they're for. So in here, this one's labelled like for hand sanitizer and hand washing and stuff like that. So yeah, that's probably what I will be keeping in there. This one's labelled, it's got a little pot with cream on it, so it's labelled like for, you know, nappy rash cream. And then here it's got a place, I think this is meant to be wipes. It's got like a little picture of a baby and an arrow like going down the way, so I think it's for wipes, and I think the nappies go in this one here because it's just a bit bigger. So yeah, and then like, just do this up again so I can show you, even if you've got all these pockets full, there's room for stuff in the middle. So like I would also like keep a spare change of clothes or two in here, probably for both my toddler and the newborn. Actually, I could probably fit a set of pyjamas for my toddler, because when I take spare clothes for her they're always pyjamas because they're just easier, especially if she's got a poorly tummy, hence why, you know, blow out. But you could easily fit some spare changes of clothes in there, some burp cloths and stuff. You know, you could probably even shove this in here. Yeah, that would totally fit. Well, just about. You might have to squash it a bit, but it totally would fit. So if we just do that back up. See, I love how this one's organised, because again, it's easy for everyone else to find things. So say if someone else goes to change the baby, they know where they can find everything they need. So this is the final pod. So the Croyde fits the Croyde fits 3 pods in it. And what this is going to be for my breast pump and other booby related items. But yeah, in here it just opens the same as the others. I won't need to show you, it's got the same clip as the others. But it's nice and clear so you can see straight into it, you know what's in here. And just for me, my pumps will be in here with the chargers, and my breast pads and my nipple cream and stuff like that. Things for me that I can use. And again, it means that if I'm going somewhere without my family, I can still take my breast pump and stuff with me. I don't have to unpack the whole bag, I don't have to repack a whole new bag. I can literally take this, put this in my own bag and be on my merry way. I can just be off with this, which again, why I chose Pacapod, because I need ones that I can just pull my own thing out or pull an individual thing for the baby, and that's it, ready to go. If you see back here, it's got this zipper pocket here. You can fit a bunch of stuff in. You can put like your phone and your purse in here, maybe like some spare bark cloths. It's got these massive deep pockets here. Again, bark cloths. You need a lot of bark cloths for newborns. In fact, you could, if you were so inclined, stick the changing mat back here. But again, I will probably just keep this on this side so that when I grab it, it's like the first thing that you see. Yeah, so that's all the pockets in there. They're massive pockets, by the way, like you could fit an absolute buttload. Buttload works. The other thing is that I forgot to show you, it's got this nice big stretchy cord with a little tiny baby carabiner at the end, and this is probably where I will keep my keys, just so that you can not lose stuff. So I'll probably keep a set of house keys or something on here that can stay nice and secure and not lost, and it means instead of digging around in the bag for things, you can just, here's the cord, and then they all sit together nicely like that. And then of course there's the changing mat, which I will also pop in. So yeah, if you just like even look from the top, you get loads of room. I don't know the best way to show you. Like even if you just look from there, you get loads of room on the top for stuff, anything you want really. So I just love the size of this, and it's not actually too bulky, it's just clever. So like this for me isn't the biggest handbag I own, but it's got the most storage out of any handbag I own. Yeah, I love a big handbag because it can keep as much mess as I want in there. So yeah, oh, the other thing is it's got this strap that extends, and you can obviously either use the strap or the carry bags, and these straps come off if you want. And all the Pacapods come with these clips that hook onto the pram if you want. So that's nice, they'll be staying with the bag, because again, I go out a lot and prams are useful when you go out a lot. So yeah, that is the changing bag I have bought for baby number 2. I'm really pleased I did this. I kind of just coped with one of my bigger handbags before. This is the bag I am taking into hospital for the baby. So I don't know when I'm doing my hospital bag video. I don't need to do it yet because I'm only 19 weeks pregnant, but I will be packing my hospital bag when I'm about 36 weeks pregnant, so that gives you a kind of idea of roughly when it will be out. So yes, I'm glad I got to show this to you because I wanted to make the most out of this purchase. So I love talking about it, I get so excited. So that's everything for this video. If you like watching videos on parenting and pregnancy, make sure you subscribe. If you like Pacapod, make sure you hit the subscribe. If you like Pacapod, make sure that you hit that like button. If you're interested to see the hospital bag video, also press that thumbs up button. And I will see you on Friday for my 19-week update. Bye!